welcome to this video, guys. Yes, let's get it. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how I'm making 1,000% ROI. That's basically for $1 you put in, you make $10 back. So this is insane, and this is in adult marketing. If you know what adult marketing is, it's basically the cheapest freaking traffic source in the world. There's so much traffic. I mean, the volume's insane. You can make so much money on this platform because you're never going to get banned like you do on Facebook. You can run anything you want in the whole entire world, okay, and make money. Like, you don't just need to run dating offers, okay? What I'm doing is very, very underground, and I'm calling it the golden ticket method. And I'm calling it the golden ticket method because it's just so insane. I've never seen money be made so easily without any work, and it's not what you think, okay? And so basically what I've done and what I'm doing is literally running simple campaigns every day with literally 10x ROIs. And you can literally like scale this thing to the moon. It doesn't matter how much daily ad spend you really do, okay? There's tons of different traffic sources for this. If you Google all the different traffic sources, you'll know what they are, but you will not know the method. That's what's so cool. No one's doing this method. It's so underground. It's so crazy. And it's not at all what you think. And I basically came across this idea one night when I was thinking about it. And I implemented it about 3 weeks ago from when I'm launching this video basically and showing you guys this. And it's just insane, okay? So all I'm trying to say is there are loopholes in making money online. There are loopholes in making money in general. And it's just crazy to think about that. So if you guys are interested in this, I decided to put together a quick funnel. And basically I have a bunch of training videos about this method. So why this method is so good, once again, is it's by far the most freedom-inducing money-making method I've ever come across and ever came up with. Really, I didn't come across it at all. I came up with this. It works so well predictably, and I basically tested for the past few weeks about what's the best way to be profitable with this. It's so crazy the ROIs you're seeing in this. I kid you not, it's so crazy because once again, it's not just 10x, it's 11x plus. You can earn way more than just 10x, and it doesn't require anything. Okay, we're showing your face or anything like that. It's so underground. Anyone could do this. So why I love it. It's so easy. It's freaking easy. It has unlimited potential. And the money is so passive. You have so much free time. You don't know what to do with yourself. You might as well start more businesses and use this money to just enjoy life. You could literally stop everything you're doing and just maintain this 5 minutes a day. I just maintained this thing 5 minutes a day to 10 minutes a day. That's nothing, okay? People work 8 hours a day, okay? To make maybe a little less than 100 or somewhere around $100. And that just blows my mind because I'm working 5 to 10 hours a day on just different campaigns. And if you have multiple campaigns, it can turn around to be $30 a day. 30 minutes a day of work. And that's no work at all to make. I'm making 10 grand a day right now, okay? That's $300,000 a month. That's combining a bunch of different income streams. I'm only 21 years old, and I'm just so hyped about this because making money online is very real. I remember when I was 16 or something when I got into this. I think I was even younger, 12. And I was is this actually possible to make money online? I don't want to be stressed out like my parents are stressed out as people I've seen and grown up seeing. I don't want to be stressed out like them, and I want to figure out a way. And that was my number one motivation. So I bought all these programs that taught me how to make money online. And so I dived deep into this. And at this point, I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on all the programs in all the different industries to learn everything there is to learn about them all. And I also purchased mentorships and all this stuff. And what I've discovered is some of the most craziest stuff. And combining all the knowledge of all these different mentors, really, I have discovered some crazy loopholes and just random epiphany of ideas to combine together to make just obscene amounts of success happen. So basically, guys, I'm going to be scaling a ton of different stuff soon. I don't know. I'm actually going to try and post videos 10 a day. I don't know if that's going to be possible, but at the end of the day, if you don't know what to do with yourself, you might as well sit down. You should make a video because it lasts forever. And I'm realizing the power of that. So a video lasts forever. On my entertainment channel, I have tons of videos, thousands, okay? And I get millions of views every month and push them to CPA offers. And that's a huge income stream for me. But why not just do that also now on this channel too? Because I might as well build this one up massively, massively, and it helps a lot of people because there's only 3 areas in someone's life that they need help with, okay? Health, wealth, and love, okay? That's it. And if you can help someone with that, they're forever indebted to you, okay? And they forever will love you. And I'm trying to network with you guys, trying to network with really, really smart other individuals. So basically, get into the Learning Machine family. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys are interested in the golden ticket, I just wanted to make this quick video talking about it because if you're interested, check it out down below. Whatever the price is, it is a very worth it price. You can make that money back, whatever it may be, okay? Very quickly. It's crazy. And if you have a high budget, you can get your money back so quick. It's insane, okay? So I'm partnered with different people doing this, like profit sharing, but I will teach you how to do it if you're interested in it. I call it the golden ticket method because it requires like no time. It's the ultimate business I have found that requires like no time investment, like at all. You just put your money in, you make a lot of money out. It's more guaranteed than stocks. It's more guaranteed than real estate. It's more guaranteed than anything I've ever seen, okay? And that you will ever see because I have seen all of the methods, okay? Methods you've never even heard of, okay? And this is so insane because the traffic source is like 0.00, like 2 to 7 per click, okay? Per click. And you make back definitely, if we were to run the math, it's like you make back all the way to 10 cents or more per click. That's basically 10x ROI right there, okay? I need to run the math to see. Doesn't really matter because the numbers are 10x, like I divide it just by how much you make, by how much you put into the traffic source, okay? So it's crazy. And there's even more loophole ways I teach you, okay? I teach you more ways to monetize to make even bigger ROIs. It's insane, okay? So the people who are aware of this, I would say right now, are possibly some people on the traffic network I'm running with that they see what I'm running. And then obviously I'm someone aware. I have like 2 friends aware of this. I have 1 business partner aware of this. And I told my dad about this. So there's only 5 people in the whole world right now that actually know about this method. Only 5, okay? And this opportunity is so big and so underground, it's insane. If the whole world knew about this, everyone would be making crazy good money. The competition is like nothing. Once again, why a traffic source can be so cheap is there's no competition. Okay, so I figured out how to monetize this traffic source so well, but basically I could dominate the whole industry and everyone else who's aware of it. So obviously the barrier to entry to learn this is going to be pretty high because I don't want everyone to know about this. So if you're interested in buying this and looking into this, click the link down below. It's called the golden ticket method. And this will change your life. It definitely has changed mine. I have so much free time. It's crazy. Other business models can take time, obviously, to build up. But this requires nothing. It's freaking crazy. It just requires money for ad spend. You literally don't need any extra of anything, okay? So that's some secrets right there. This is mind-blowing stuff. I guarantee anyone who gets in this can make money, like crazy money. Any one of my courses, all you have to do is implement the strategies and you're going to make money. Everything's guaranteed to make money. All you need to do is just put in the work, okay? You just need to have the knowledge, form the strategy or use the strategy given, and then take action. That's it. This requires just some knowledge and a little bit of taking action, and it's so scalable. I never seen anything like it for the time put into it. So you can literally just crush it, and the cash flow is insane. It's amazing. So definitely hop on this, if you want to call it money train, if you want to call it new opportunity, whatever you want to call it. This is so huge. If you're interested, check out the link down below. And if you want to get mentorship with me, get mentorship with me. But in the golden ticket, that's the only place I'm really going to talk about this, is inside the golden ticket, baby. So I'll see you there, and peace out.